Hey guys, it's the first Wednesday in a month, which means we are back in the kitchen for another episode of Cooking with Theo. And today we're gonna be making Ratatouille from the movie with the same name, Ratatouille. First we're gonna go and cut the 3 peppers in half and let them bake in the oven. And we need to cut out the inner piece. And leave them in the oven until the skin starts to bubble. Next we're gonna go and cut the onions and the garlic. So next I'm gonna go and cut the garlic. So while the oil is heating up, we're just gonna go and cut the pepper. Just make sure to not let it get too brown. It just needs to be a little bit soft. Oh, no. So while we're waiting, let's go and cut the vegetables. Let's go and cut the vegetables. For that we got our handy dandy, I don't know what it's called. Let's go and try if it's gonna work, I'm not sure. It's working. So if you don't have such a construction, just make sure that your slices are around 2 millimeters thick to not get a too long cooking time. Whee! Okay. Yeah. The recipe said to use real tomatoes, but I'm kind of lazy, so we're just gonna use canned ones. So that's gonna be included into the pot. So this needs to cook about 10 minutes. So let's go back and slice our vegetables. Next, the eggplant. So after our after the sauce was cooking for about 10 minutes, we're gonna go and add the pepper into the sauce. Just gonna dip it all in. And let it continue cooking. Just gonna add some salt and other herbs. By the way, as always, you can find the whole recipe in the description and a link to my website where you can read it. So please feel free to check it out. So last but not least, we're gonna go and peel and cut our sweet potato. The recipe is set to use pumpkin, but I'm not much of a pumpkin fan, so we're gonna use this one. We are officially done with cutting everything up. Let me just... And then we're gonna save 1 spoon of sauce for later. It's not really a sauce, it's more like... I don't know. This we're gonna go and add to our baking pan. This is gonna act as our base. Now that our base is set, we're gonna go and take each piece of the vegetable and kind of go in circles. Let me just show you. So we're gonna take one piece, the other, and just go in circles. After spending way too much time making it look pretty nice, we're just gonna go and put some aluminium foil over it to prevent the top from burning. And like that, we're gonna go and put it in the oven. After almost burning myself, we're gonna go and do it the intelligent way, with placing that thing on top of the already way too hot thingy, then using our aluminium foil, cover it, and now I'm gonna open the oven, place it in a minute, and let it bake for 1 hour. Our ratatouille is almost ready. As you can see, it's dark outside, but we need to finish something that's called vinaigrette. It's probably wrong pronounced, but never mind. We're gonna go with 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of balsamic. Then put in the fresh one. I unfortunately don't have any, so we're just gonna put this. Forgot to add the pepper and the salt. Now let's go and take out. Oh, it's so hot. Now let's go and do the fun part. Now let's try our creation. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. Honestly, it's not that bad. I don't like vegetables that much, and especially this combination, so I was kind of suspect, but it's not bad. 7 out of 10, if I have to give it a score. Thank you all for watching. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Ciao!